DJA TV.
Country people, una welcome to DJM TV weekly news update for Pidgin English. Me wan like una this week na be una country brother Stanley Okocha. I beg my brother, my sister, if this one na the first time when you take dey watch our ogbonge news like this, I beg make you subscribe to our YouTube channel wey be DJM TV. Make you click on the notification bell so that you go continue dey receive hot ogbonge news like this. Our first news for today na be the one when e concern
DJA TV. DJA TV.